OnePlus Open. So this is a first foldable mobile from the OnePlus. So let's talk about that mobile. First, let's start with the display size. When this mobile was a smaller mobile like the regular mobile, this mobile's display size was 6.31 inches of fluid AMOLED LTPO3 display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display. And when it was in open situation like a tab, it has a 7.8 inches of same fluid AMOLED LTPO3 display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate display, and it can support 2K resolution. Yes. And when we talk about the powerhouse of this mobile, like the processor, this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is an octa-core processor, and it is a 4nm based 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, this mobile does comes with a lot of 5G bands. I will list the 5G bands in the description box down below. By the way, this comes with a 19 5G bands. And the biggest thing about this mobile is, even though this mobile is a foldable mobile, this has a huge enormous camera setup. By the way, if you are watching the video until now, subscribe to the channel, will be amazing. And this comes with a triple camera setup at the back side. 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera, which is an optical image stabilization camera, and a 64 megapixels of telephoto camera. It is also a OIS, optical image stabilization camera, and also the third 48 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Total of 3 cameras, which are huge and enormous cameras, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with this mobile's back camera. And for the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera and a 20 megapixels of front facing selfie cameras, both in the when it was in the folded situation and when it was in a open situation like a tab. So both the cameras at the front side. And for the battery, to power up this mobile, the battery, it comes with a 4805 milliamperes of battery. It supports only wired charge, no wireless charge. It comes with a 67 watts of fast charge support. And this mobile also comes with a lot of features, like this mobile runs on Android version 13 out of the box with One UI latest version. And this mobile also comes with the latest features like the Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. And this mobile comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, yes, like all the folded mobiles. And this mobile also comes in only one variant until now, that is 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. Now those are also 16 GB of RAM, which is a LPDDR5X type, and a 512 GB of RAM, that is also UFS 4.0 type. So we can expect a killer performance with this mobile. Even though it's the first mobile from the OnePlus, they have added everything into this mobile, like the great cameras, great battery, and great processor and everything. By the way, this mobile is not a dust and water resistant mobile, so don't dip this mobile after buying this mobile in the water. And this mobile also comes in 2 colors. Those are black and green colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link, so you can directly buy it from there. And when we talk about the price, yes, this is the main thing. This mobile was priced at 1,39,000 rupees, almost 1,40,000 rupees in Amazon, and you can directly buy it right now by going to the link and clicking the link down in the description box down. And so these are the major features of this mobile, and if you want to purchase this mobile, go and purchase the mobile. That's it. So hit the like button and also the subscribe button. By the way, the 2 parts which I missed in this video are, this mobile comes with a Type-C port for charging, and this mobile comes with the stereo speakers. This mobile doesn't have any 3.5mm jack. Yes, so these are the features of this mobile, and hit the like button and the subscribe button if you like this video. Thanks for watching.